We got a brand new project on our hands, and this one is called Ascended Azuki. Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Farm Community. I am your host, Jordan. Today, we're going to be diving down into this concept of 10,000 Ascended Azukis in their daily lives. Please remember that this is not affiliated with any other projects. They are simply just paying homage to Azuki Zen, and that is it. They currently have a total of 351 followers. They literally just joined this month, so be sure that you guys follow them on Twitter. Not only that, but also on the Discord. We'll take a look at that more towards the end of this video, but if we go ahead and dive down into these NFTs, you guys can see that they actually have a different style and a different variety. So I definitely love the way that these look. Take a look at the hair. You can see we got the smoke, we got the radio, we got the headphones, we got the plain white tee. Then over here, we got another one. Get a look at this one. This is a gift that just keeps going back and forth of many different type of anime NFTs. As stated, that this is a concept of how Azukis look like in their daily lives. So I definitely love these NFTs, you guys. I think they look sick. I think there's an opportunity that we can see a lot of attraction for these NFTs. And we got another one right here. You guys can see that this one obviously is all red. We got the jacket, we got the umbrella. We have a lot going on here, okay? If we go ahead and dive down into their tweets, you guys will see that they are providing a lot of info. It states once again that this is the concept of how Azukis look in their daily lives. They're going to be doing 10 OGs will be given away on this post. And literally all you have to do is follow. You have to like and retweet the post and tag 3 NFT friends. Good luck. So they're giving you an opportunity to get in for OG. And we got another one right here. It states that we love the clean, sleek look of the Kakuberry. Definitely looking like a skater of the internet. So I like these NFTs, you guys. Definitely look really interesting to me. I would highly recommend, as stated, that you guys follow them on their Twitter page and be ready for some more announcements. Once you join the Discord, there is going to be a lot of announcements here. So we're waiting for a website, which is important, right? We're waiting for the website. We're waiting for more news to come out, especially about the NFT, maybe more sneak peeks, maybe more pre-sales, more public sale updates, something like that. So hopefully we can get some news here. They do have a roadmap, so it's going to be important that you check this out. Q1, we got Twitter release, Discord release, community building and outreach, Ascended Azuki release, and then formation of community board. Then number 2, we got formation of Azuki treasury. We got Ascended Azuki token airdrops, OG marketplace, merch and collectors release. Then number 3, we got IRL event sponsors, Azuki treasury V2, Azuki podcast release, and also got another event. So it looks like they do have a good roadmap. So they do have a destiny and a goal of what they are wanting to do. How to OG, there's some important information here. Taking a look at the sneak peeks once again, it looks like we have some more here. So I love to see these different NFTs, you guys. So feel free to check all this out, especially try to get part of the giveaway. Join the general chat. You guys can see that there's actually quite a few people that are already here in the Discord. You guys can see that they're actually super active. There's a lot of people that are talking here. Be part of the fan art, be part of the memes, the crypto talks, be part of all of this. So thank you guys once again so much for being here. If you will, leave some comments down below and just tell me, what do you guys think about this project? Are you going to be ready? Are you going to jump in? Feel free to leave some comments. Have a great one, and we will see you guys later, and ciao.